Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to free up disk space on Windows 10, 8 or 7. Right click on the Start menu, then click on Run. Type prefetch, click OK. Then click on Continue. Then go to chrome.exe 53490.2d7.pf. Then press Ctrl A, then press Ctrl D. Then close the windows. Now click on Start menu. Then click on Run. Then type temp and OK. Then click on any file. Then click on Ctrl A. Press Ctrl D or delete. Now click on Start menu. Then click on Run. Then type %temp percentage and OK. Then select any file. Click on Ctrl A. Now click on Ctrl D or delete. Now click on Start menu. Then type and search this PC. Then click on C drive. Then click on Windows. Go to Software Distribution and click on it. Now click on Download. Then select all the files and delete. Now go back to C drive and right click on it. Then click on Properties and select Tools. Now click on Optimize. Then click on Optimize again. Now go to Start menu, then search for Disk Cleanup. Then select all the files. Now click on Cleanup System Files. Then right click on the Start menu, then click on Command Promote, then type ipconfig /dns and enter. Now go to Start menu and right click on it. Then type ws reset and OK. By following these steps, you can free up disk space on Windows 10, 8 or 7.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.